There you go, Fergie. In the sidecar, boy. In the sidecar, Fergie. That's the guard dog. Another day in paradise. We've managed to get the 1922 P&M up together and running. Jim did a great job all up together. As you see, we have kept the original patina on the job because the Vintage Motorcycle Club wanted to keep it in 1922 formula. So the gear change is quite tricky, Jim. So tell us how all that works.
It's a bit like driving a car, really. You pull it out like that, and that engages your first and second ratio. Then you've got two clutches. Pull it back, and that gives you first ratio, first gear. Then you push it forward, and that gives you second gear. Then you come back to the middle, push the lever in, it goes in like that, and you've got third gear is back there, the fourth gear is forward. So it's a bit like driving the old-fashioned car with the gear stick movements. So once you've got used to it, it's quite simple.
Right, so there's plenty of controls to look after: air, throttle, mag, front brake. So there we go. We'll give it a run round the block, and we're quite pleased the way it's all worked out. We managed to salvage the tank, straighten the frame, the forks, the wheels, mud guards. Serious bit of work. When you're watching Jim starting this here, there's a start set for the
half compression.
Half compression for the cam. There you go. There we go, we're off. Ticking over like a clock. So well pleased with that. Lovely patina. Runs well, eh? Another satisfied customer. So there you go, 1922 P&M Sidecar Outfit. So we'll have the Montgomery out now that Jim's been working on for quite a bit. The 39 Montgomery 350 twin port. There you go. Just getting a little run around here. Right, fine looking bike.
Finishing touches to be done yet.
Yeah. Right, there we are. Jim's just got to do the electrics and all up together, no leaks, no disasters. That's a lovely little oil tank in it there, which is, and of course the plunger back end's quite unique. So I'm well pleased with that, and it'll be joining the museum very shortly. So another one. Right, here we go, another day in paradise. Some new products. Yours truly's t-shirt, another Miller t-shirt. Trials GOV 132. Neck warmer, lovely little hat. So get on the pace, get some Miller gear, all on our website, and top quality, low prices, couldn't be better. So there we go. A few of the items on our website.